Hello everyone, happy October 23rd. Today we celebrate chemistry, mole madness, and the joy of TV icons. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's Mole Day, a clever celebration of Avogadro's number and chemistry fun. A great gift could be a mole-themed t-shirt, a science pun mug, or a periodic table poster. What's your favorite science joke? Let's experiment in the comments. Next, it's National TV Talk Show Host Day, honoring the personalities who keep us laughing, thinking, and inspired. A sweet gift could be a book by your favorite host, a retro microphone keychain, or a themed trivia game. Who's your favorite talk show host? Let's chat it up below.
Before our last event enjoying these celebrations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later.
And finally, it's National Boston Cream Pie Day, a decadent celebration of cake, custard, and chocolate glaze. A thoughtful gift could be a baking kit, a dessert-themed apron, or a recipe card with a twist. Ever made one from scratch? Let's layer up the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events, and be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for November 21st to 25th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.